Okay, this step will make introduction for the control cabinet and the electrical parts. This area is for the control cabinet. The inside is electrical parts. We can open the door and check it. Okay, we can open and check. Okay, for the electrical parts, we use Korean brand LG. Okay, the frequency inverter is a Germany brand. Okay. Also here is the warning light. Okay. Okay. Next one we will make introduction in details for the control cabinet. It is regarding to the machine operation. Okay, for the control cabinet, we can check from the top to the bottom. Okay. The first line is for the warning. Okay, this is the buzzer. When happen warning, this buzzer will beep beep beep. Okay. This warning light is for the low pressure. You can see here ampere is low pressure. This one is for the sending belt broken. If the sending belt is broken, this light will light on. Okay, these two buttons is for the sending belt location. For the sending belt, on each side we have a safety limit switch. We can check it. Okay, we can check here. This side have one, another side have another one. Okay. That is for the sending belt swing on the roller. Okay, also for the safety. If the sending belt is move out, it will touch this limit switch and happen this warning. Okay. Another one, this light is for the emergency switch. When the emergency switch is pressed on, this one will light. Okay. This light is for the thickness. For the wood thickness, is thicker than the thickness we set up. Okay. For example, we set up 22. If the sanding board is too much thicker, like 30 millimeter, it will happen this warning, because here we have a limit switch for the thickness. Okay, here we have thickness to check this for the safety, for the feeding safety. Cannot see. Okay, it is this limit switch for the thickness warning. Okay. Okay. This is for the meter, for the ampere meter for the two sanding rulers. Okay, this meter is for the thickness setup. We can set up the thickness automatically here for the production. For example, if I want to set up the 22 millimeter, we just press. Oh no, sorry. Sorry. Okay, now it's correct, and then we can press the green button, so it will change into 22 for the thickness adjustment. Okay, for the sanding thickness setup. This button is for the first sanding ruler, start and stop. Second sanding ruler, start, stop. Okay. This is start is for the vacuum fan, for the vacuum table. Okay, for the vacuum fan, start and stop. This one is for the polishing wheel at the end of sander. Start and stop. We can check it. Okay, it is this one. Here is the polishing brush wheel. Okay. To start and stop this one. Okay, this one is for the feeding belt. Okay, for the sender, start and stop. Okay, this button is for the sending table up and down. Normally, we use this to adjust the sending thickness setup too. Okay, up and down. Okay, this is the control power. Before the control cabinet buttons work, we need to press this button firstly. If we don't press this one, this button doesn't work. See, doesn't work. Okay, and this is the emergency stop. Okay, this one is a speed adjustment for the sending for the feeding conveyor. Okay, for the speed adjustment, we can use this part. Okay, this is a speed adjustment panel for the frequency inverter inside here. Okay, we can try this. We can press the control power. Okay, now it's light. That means these buttons can work now. Okay, we start the first sending roller. See here. The first one is rotating. Okay. Second one. This is the fan. This is a vacuum fan. We can start it. Okay, this is the last one, the polishing wheel. Okay, we can stop it, start it. Okay, we can check it. We can stop it. Start the table, feeding conveyor. Okay, now it's started. Okay. We also can adjust speed here at this button. Okay. 25 is maximum. You can slower to 0. Okay, stop. Okay. If happen any emergency things, we can press this button. Okay. Everything is stopped. Okay. That is the introduction for the control cabinet. Next step, we make introduction how to set up and calibrate this meter for our sending. Okay.